There's a typewriter orchestra in Boston. If you want to play a song or two, you could pick up a guitar or sit down at a piano. But for some Massachusetts residents, typewriters are the instruments of choice. The Boston Typewriter Orchestra was founded in 2004, and its members use old typewriters to create unique sounds that they turn into music. They even have an album out. As typewriter musician Brendan Emmett Quigley explains, different typewriter models result in different noises. A Smith Corona Galaxy 12 has a power space function that makes a nice metallic clang sound, for example. Subscribe to FactGenics on YouTube for more information like this.